Myself Nityanand Kumar, and our company is Gautam Polymer Groups. Gautam Polymer Group is one of the largest solar component manufacturer in India, and we mainly supply the most of the OEM client in India. And I'm looking the solar component business unit on behalf of Gautam Polymers. And basically we have the complete range of solar products like CFL street light, LED street light, home light, lanterns, and traffic blinker, like complete application of solar products we have. We are associated with the NetCaf, and with the NetCaf and like other with the help of some OEM client, we completed some project also in Hyderabad. And we also supplying like some big OEM which is Hyderabad based, like Icom Telecom and other company. No, our company is Delhi based, and some like our branch is not in Hyderabad, our branch office in Bangalore, and mainly we are dealing from the Delhi. Yeah, definitely. We are also supplier of like some. Solar product is mainly for the clean energy and green energy, and especially for rural area where the scarce of electricity. So we also fulfill the real needs, the basic needs of the human beings, and solar energy is the best alternative source of energy. Besides the conventional source of energy, the solar energy is the best alternative source of energy, and we are supplying some NGO also like the Seva and the TERI. So we are doing very well in the renewable energy segments, and basically we provide quality based product. Quality is our strength. Low cost and good quality is our company's policies and the strength. So we mainly focus on that particular philosophy, and our company vision is to become a world's best off-grid leader in solar segments. We encourage the rural entrepreneurship. Our company have the Solid Solar Academy, and that teaches for some rural people who mainly learn about the solar product. What is the solar product? What is the benefit of the solar products? And then according to that, he is educated some rural people, and that encourage the rural entrepreneurship.